it. I am calling the conductor.
Who hurt you?
That's it. I'm calling the conductor.
Suck a bag of dicks, lady.
Fuck you sideways, sir.
You shot me.
I shoot a
You
lot
shot
of
me
people.
twice.
Well, you also have a shootable face.
You know, I took a good hard look at myself in that mirror. I didn't like what I saw.
You're bleeding, mate.
Not my mate, I don't bleed.
You don't bleed?
No, never. When have you seen me bleed? Name once.
What, you a fucking mutant?
That's his voice. It's Ringo Starr, isn't it? Fucking dude, what the fuck?
You're very handsome.
One stop. Then you get off my motherfucking train. Then you get off my train, you dipshit. You buy yourself a new ticket, then this time you hold onto it like a good little boy and learn to speak fucking Japanese.